Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my equipment and supplies are down in the description box, and I've got links with them, and it's an ongoing list, so check that out. And if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll let you know when the new ones come out. All right, let's get rolling. I'm using the Marabu olive green. If you haven't watched my videos, I love this brand because they do that. The other ones don't. They spread out and they have great qualities, but this one I can blow into the little leaves and the stems and things like that, and I love doing that. So let's get rolling. But yeah, check these out. I know they carry them on Joggles, Joggle, and then the Marabu site. So check that out. They've got some other stuff that I'm going to try out too. So let's get rolling. And these are all the colors I'm thinking I'm using. If I change it, I'll mark it out. See how cool that is? Now I'm about an inch to 2 inches away, and I'm about an inch above the paper. If I go faster, then I can get those little spriggies, and I'll get some of those because I'll get excited and start going faster with this. And just kind of make them do their loop-de-loops and their fun stuff. That one can be a stem. I'm just putting maybe a drop. Sometimes I make these do their thing, and sometimes they just take off on their own, so I'm not always in charge. Whoops, sorry. No, that was a little easier. Get it angled just a tad. And I do like to kind of get all that covered. I don't know why, just a me thing. Now, I think that's it for the green. All right, here's where we kind of have some fun. Back in video, and I'll post it, but I believe it's 64 and 66, and possibly another 68 maybe. I've been using the mixture of the inks, the Blanco, and alcohol, and having a lot of fun with it. It makes it more thicker. It doesn't make it a transparent, and play with it. It is so fun. I am having a big time. So I'm going to do my flowers, and I'm not going to necessarily make them end at the, you're going to assume and you're going to know that there's stems going to them. So I won't go in and just purposely put them at the end of all the grass. Let's see, let's do this one. All right, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to put a drop. Put about 3, a little bit of this. And just hold down and let it do its little flower. At this point, it doesn't matter what it does, because we're going to draw an outline over it. Let's do the pool next. Now I'm going to try something here. Because you can see some of the green through there, I'm just curious as to if I added a little more white, if that would cover it. I'm not going to do the alcohol. It added something. Well, that's interesting. I like that. All right. And let's do butterscotch. You know, I really want my butterscotch right here, but I don't want to see the green. All right, let's do something. Okay, I keep Q-tips. Take that off. I want to see if it goes right there. That. I'm not adding the alcohol. Let's see if that does anything different. And I'm holding the air steady because I want this to dry. I don't want it to puddle out. And then I get a little closer to it. There we go. Yeah. You can still see that, but that's okay. All right, let's do, I want to play. Let's experiment. Yeah, that made it fun. Again, this is not our final thing, so we still have room to play. All right, let's do, where do we want to do this? Put the purple. That's 1 drop to 4. And last, watermelon. I like that it's running down here, so I'm letting it. Yeah, I like this. Now I will go spray it because I know some of these thicker parts will mess with my marker, because that one absolutely has nothing going to it. I am going to draw one in. Now, just kind of. You can't really see them, but that makes your eye understand it, I guess. It helped mine. Okay. Let me go spray this. I'll be right back. And I'm spraying it with this, the varnish, so hold just a second. All right. Sorry, I'm gonna fix my camera just a minute. Okay, I've got this sprayed, it's dried, and it dries very quickly. I just come in and kind of hit it with a blow dryer. So let's get to my favorite part. And as I've mentioned, and I will put those on the screen, is using the black and white together. And I just keep coming up with different ideas and things I want to try out, so hang with me on that. So with these, I just want to make really goofy petals. They're not going to make sense. They're not going to be real. I might go a little bit with the pattern that's set down. I may not. So the best way to do is just jump in. And look, there's already a little bit of a circle, so I may go with some of that and just let that be part of it. And I want him in front, so I can go behind. I don't know if I want to put a center. I think I need to, but let's keep going. We'll come back and do it. I make this harder than it really is, but I tend to overthink, and I don't need to do that. But once you're done, you're like, whew, that was fun. Do I want to make a circle or jaggedies? I think we'll make jaggedies. Or at least on this one. Then we can decide what to do. Yeah, I like the messed up. And I may even put some dots in that one. Just get in here and doodle. I'm not even being careful with this. Because truth be known, we're going to go in here with some white, and that's going to really make it different. This should be an exercise in loosening up. All right. Again, I just like to do some fun, maybe just on one side. I think I'm surprised on how messy I can be with this. And I'm really having fun. Kind of going there with some of this yellow is, and I'm kind of putting the white in it and leaving my black. All right, there is your loose, fun picture. Hope this gave y'all some ideas and help loosen up and have fun, because look how cute that is. All right, y'all go have fun.